We just bought this brand new Ram 2026 3500 Mega Cab. We took it straight from the dealership over to Hazzard Fabworx to build the most utilitarian vehicle possible. We've partnered with Baja Designs for this build. We went with the LP6s and the Squadron 2.0s. This thing is going to be capable of helping you see anything that may be on the road, whether that be animals, trees down. And you might be wondering how we're gonna be fitting these Squadron 2.0s, but don't worry, we'll get to that later. To help with the ride quality, no utilitarian vehicle is complete without a set of upgraded shocks. And that's why for this build, we're going with the Bilstein 8100s. That's gonna help both on-road and off-road. And you might be able to guess by now what kit this comes in, and we're super excited about it. To help us get out of any tough situation, we decided to go with the Come Up 16.5 RS. What's super cool about this is that it comes with a synthetic rope and a wireless controller to help make self-recovery a breeze. We've thrown multiple of these on our rigs in the past, and we don't have anything but good things to say about them. We've also partnered with SDHQ out of Arizona, and in this box is a brand new released skid plate from them. This is gonna help with added off-road protection for anything that we're gonna throw at this truck. Now you might see a theme with some of the trucks that we've built in the past, and that's because we love working with KMC and Nitto. So we went with the KMC GRSs that are gonna be paired up with the Nitto 40 by 15.5 R20s, and we've named this truck Juggernaut because it is going to be wide as f***. Now you might be wondering how we're going to fit this aggressive wheel and tire setup. So over here, we've got the full AEV conversion kit. Before we start bolting all of this onto our brand new 2026 Ram 3500, it's worth talking about why AEV has become such a respected name in the truck world. American Expedition Vehicles, or AEV, was founded back in 1997 by Dave Harrington. What started as one guy building stretch Jeep Wranglers out of a dirt floor garage in Montana eventually turned into one of the most respected off-road engineering companies in the industry. What really separated AEV from everyone else wasn't just making trucks look aggressive, it was engineering. Instead of chasing the biggest lift kit or the flashiest parts, AEV focused on building products that looked like they could have come from the factory. Everything designed to work together. Suspension geometry, bumpers, skid plates, wheels, and even airflow and cooling. That obsession with OEM level quality earned AEV something very few aftermarket companies ever achieve: the trust of the manufacturers themselves. Over the years, AEV partnered directly with manufacturers to develop factory-backed packages. Chevrolet launched the Colorado ZR2 Bison with AEV, GMC followed with the Canyon and Sierra AT4X AEV editions. Even Ram has worked closely with AEV on turnkey prospector builds where customers could have their truck converted before ever taking delivery. That's a huge deal. It's one thing to have great aftermarket parts, it's another for manufacturers to trust your engineering enough to put your name alongside theirs on factory vehicles. And we wanted to do this truck justice, so we went the extra mile and paint matched everything. If you're looking to get this AEV conversion kit or build your dream truck, all of these parts and more are available from us at dieselpowerproducts.com. And like I said earlier, we're over at Hazzard Fabworx, and we don't have a shop since it is currently under construction and don't have tools. So we're gonna hand the keys over to them and get to it. All right guys, we got Juggernaut up on the lift now. We're doing the AEV conversion kit. However, this is a very detailed install. So we're gonna be starting off with the suspension. As you can see, we've already got some stuff torn out. We got the sway bar, the drag length, and the track bar all torn out. All the parts from AEV are over here, ready to go back on the truck. This is a 3-inch lift, which is super cool from AEV because you can do a 3-inch lift and add such a big setup like we're going with the Nitto 40 15.5s, which is gonna be super cool. It's gonna look super great with the fenders coming over the top. Going to be about 3 inches wider on this side. What's also super cool about this Limited is that it comes with bags from the factory. So the truck's going to be doing a lot of towing, which is nice having those airbags in the rear. We're also going to be retaining the factory leaf springs and the coils in the front. So let's get to it. All right guys, we're back over at Hazzard Fabworx. As you can see, we're wrapping up the front end over here. Got the track bar relocate bracket installed right here. Like I said earlier, this kit retains the factory coils, which are back up in there with the new perch. And then got the Bilstein 8100s with this reservoir that's gonna be mounted up there. All we gotta do is get the drag link in there and get that factory sway bar link back in there, and then they're gonna move on to the rear. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we are wrapping up the rear end over here. This was a lot less time, and they said it was a lot easier. So if you come under here, we got the 2-inch spacer under the airbag and then the 2-inch spacer under the leaf spring with the upgraded U-bolts that are gonna allow you to get all the way up around the leaf spring up here. If you can see, this is the one that came with the stock. It's a lot longer just so that you can be able to go over top and get that. But next step is to get this thing back up down on the ground and get started on the front bumper, so let's get to it. All right, we are back over at Hazzard, and it's Monday, and we came back over the weekend, and the front bumper is all wrapped up. This thing looks absolutely great. They got the Up Winch installed into the front bumper. I personally think it looks great. Color matching looks absolutely awesome. This is my first time seeing it with the front bumper done, and they're working on the rear now, but overall it's looking awesome. All right, guys, now it's time for the fun part. As you can see, we've got everything taped out right here. What this does is it's for cutting for the new fenders that are gonna be going on this truck. And if you come over here, also got the front end wrapped up with the Baja Designs LP6s mounted on this front bumper. I personally think they look great. Got everything wrapped up in the rear. Color match this right here. And if we pull this up, rear bumper's all done up and looking pretty. We've got the Squadron 2.0s mounted in the rear. This thing looks great so far, and can't wait to see the finished product. All right, we also got our first look at the wheels and tires mounted and balanced. We've got the Nitto 40x15.5 R20s paired up with the KMC GRSs. I think these things look great, and I am super excited to see them on the truck. The build is done. Huge shout out to Hazzard Fabworx. They did a fantastic job. I'm looking at the truck right now, and it is absolutely beautiful. We've done multiple AEV kits in the past, but with the new engine and transmission, this really piqued our interest. So without further ado, meet Juggernaut. We decided to name this truck Juggernaut because it is built like a tank, and there's no meaner truck like it out on the roads. Starting with the front, we've got the AEV bumper paint match to the body, and for recovery gear, we went with the Up 16.5 RS. For lights, we went with the Baja Designs LP6s, and moving around here to the wheels and tires that we decided to go to, we went with the Nitto 40x15.5s with the 20-inch KMC GRSs. For the AEV lift, it is a 3.5-inch lift that retains the factory coils with a body lift under those factory coils. This retains the factory sway bar, but with a new track bar and drag link. Moving on to the back, we've got the flares that we had to cut out the factory wells to fit these big wheels and tires. Moving on to the back over here, we've got the AEV rear bumper that was also paint matched. And for the rear lighting, we've got the Squadron 2.0s to light that up. Over here in the Ram boxes, Hazzard Fabworx custom fabbed this ARB mount so we have air for our bags when we are towing. That wraps up the Juggernaut build, and if you guys have any ideas for what to throw on this truck next, please let us know in the comments. And if you guys are wanting any of the parts that are on this truck, they are available from us at dieselpowerproducts.com. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.